The column view makes it the easiest to interact with your documents in different ways. Not only can you preview the document itself, but you can also see all its details below. And you can modify them right here. For example, you can rename the file, quickly look it up to open it up in reading mode, change the default app used to open that type of document. Options depend on which apps are available on your iPad that support that format. You can also move it to a different folder. Share it with others. Either by sending a copy or collaborating through a shared link. You'll also be able to preview it in full screen. Then copy, compress, or duplicate it. The Files app also offers unique options depending on the type of document. You can rotate or trim videos. Markup PDFs, you can rotate and annotate images, or even convert them to PDF. Quick actions vary depending on the file type. Making the experience more tailored. Finally, the Files app gives you detailed information about your documents, when they were created, modified, and last opened. Some even show additional metadata. You can access this information in the thumbnail, and list views too. Though it usually takes a few extra steps compared to the column view.